Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML form elements. Right now we'll be discussing about the HTML form button element. The button element defines a clickable button. So I'm going to show you how this works quickly, but note one thing. Always specify the type attribute for the button element because different browsers may use different default types for the button element. So I'm going to show you how this works quickly. Back to our document. As you can see, we are having this in our previous tutorial, and also quickly now let's change this our input submit right here to a button. Let's use button, and to make it visible very well, you are going to write something inside here. Now don't forget we need the type, but before we use the type, let me save this and see the default type of the button. So let's say we write something here, we click submit. Can you see everything is heading there? So definitely the default type of this button is submit. Is input. It's like the input type of submit. The default type of button you are having right here is the submit type of a button. So let's place submit here and reload our document. Now when we submit again, it's still heading there. So definitely this button right here, as you can see it, the default type of this button is button of submit. So never forget that, have that on your mind. So that's why I'm trying to show you this one right now. So, and also there's many things you can do with this. You can use another type of button. Also there is another one we call reset. This reset button is going to reset whatever document you write inside your whatever. So now let's click this. Can you see it's automatically clear our screen? Can you see? So, and we can write a little javascript inside here on click. Let's write a little javascript. We have another attribute which is on click attribute. Inside it we can write javascript code. Let's write click alert. Let's write alert bye. Let's just write goodbye. So let's just write goodbye and reload our document quickly. Let's reload our document. Let's write whatever. Let's Can you see we have goodbye right here? When we click OK, everything is gone. When we write it again, when we click OK, click, everything is what? Everything is gone. That's what I want to show you guys. Make sure you practice, because practice makes perfect. We can do a lot with it, but right now this is what I can show you right now, because I don't want this tutorial to get too long. Anwar akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thank you so much, and to the next, make sure you practice.